so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey! It's me, Blippi, and look at all the items that I have. Whoa! So many random things. But hey, in this video, we are going to do the Blippi Velocity Race! Yeah! That's where we put a lot of these items on this ramp. Yeah, see how this ramp is at an angle? Yeah, we're gonna let them go at the same time and see what item reaches the bottom first. Okay, so let's go with heat number 1, the slow pokes. We have this sweet, colorful beach ball, and then we have this really light balloon. Okay, all right. What one do you think is gonna reach the bottom first? I think I know. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Did you see that? Yeah, the beach ball went to the bottom first. Okay, let's let them just, get warmed up for later. And then we'll use some more items. Yeah, I'm sure all these items are gonna be a lot faster. Okay, here's another set of items. They're actually the same item. Water bottles. Yeah, but this one is empty. And this one is half full. All right, let's put them on their side and then let's let them roll down. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Awesome. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Yeah! Wow! The half full water bottle totally beat the empty water bottle. How do you feel after your race, half full water bottle?
Oh, Blippi, I feel amazing. I can't believe I've won.
Great. Well, it's gonna move on to the next race. Half full water bottle versus extremely bright orange duct tape. All right, here we go. Are you ready?
Ready to race.
Are you ready?
You know I'm ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Whoa, did you see that? Yeah, the water bottle rolled down way to the bottom, way quick, way faster than the duct tape. Perfect. So now it can move on to the next round. Have you ever wondered why these items, some go fast and some go slow? Yeah, it's because their velocity. Yeah, velocity is basically the speed at which they're rolling down, the speed and the direction. Yeah, there's a lot of things that actually determine what the item's velocity is. I mean, think about it like this. There could be a lot of friction and it can't slide, or maybe it rolls compared to, maybe there's sharp edges. There's just so many things that, determine how fast, how much velocity these items have. So let's let these two items go. We have orange over here and apple over here. And let's see who wins. Go! Whoa! They were actually really close to each other. I don't even know who won. Let's see that instant replay. Whoa, that was awesome! All right, let's pick 2 more items. We have a soccer ball, or a football, depends where you live, and the half full water bottle, the champion. Okay, let's see who wins. All right, here we go. Are you ready?
I'm good to go.
Are you ready?
I was born ready.
All right, and away we go. Whoa, I cannot believe it. The half full water bottle wins the velocity race. Whoa, and the crowd goes wild. Wow, that was awesome learning about velocity and how fast that water bottle went and how the ramp is angled. But yeah, if the ramp was flat, it definitely wouldn't go anywhere, right? Yeah. Hey, can you think of a machine that is actually really fast? Yeah, there's a lot of them. Okay, let me give you a hint. Okay, this machine does not go on the ground. Well, it does, but then it goes in the air. Yeah. Whoa, I hear one. Yeah, maybe you've got to fly in one before. Fly? Yeah, they fly in the air. Yeah, airplanes. Yeah, airplanes are really fast. And speaking of speed and velocity, I think you and I should watch the airplane video.
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes are as big as a building, some are as small as a car.
That's amazing.
Some airplanes transport people, some fly near to the stars.
That's far.
Some airplanes fly with propellers, some airplanes fly with jet engines. I love to look up and see their wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane.
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes can land on water, but most land on landing strips.
So versatile.
Some airplanes fly just for fun, some fly for business trips.
Business or pleasure.
You can make an airplane out of paper, throw it in the air and watch it go. I love to look up and see its wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane.
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high.
Wow. Wow. Good job, water bottle. Wow, that was so much fun learning about velocity with you. And it was really fun seeing all these great items compete at the great Blippi Velocity Race. But there's only one champion, and today, that was water. Wow. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job! All right, see you again. Bye-bye!